Hey friends, we are talking about the four problems that we graphed yesterday, and I'm going to show you something pretty cool. So what I did is I just went and I opened up a browser and I just typed in table to graph right here, and I got this Desmos function table and graph. This is beautiful. So you just go right into here, and all you do is you enter your points, your x-axis, and then your y-axis, or your x value, your y value, and then it automatically just drops the points on. So I'll just show you, and you can turn them on and off based on color. Okay, so you see all your green ones right there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you can see that you can add more points and work with that. So that's really cool. All I did is I just went in and I just entered table to graph, and I came up with that. So that's a piece of cake. Love it. All right, easy peasy. So that's what we're going to use. We're going to use this. We have problem 1 in green, problem 2 in red, problem 3 in orange, problem 4 in blue. And I'll go ahead and set these up. So the first one said our rule is 2 times x plus 1, or double your number and then add 1. So double your number, add 1. Let's see if we can double our number. I start here with 0. 0 doubled is 0 plus 1 is 1. There's our point, 0 over, 1 up. 1 doubled is 2 plus 1 is 3. And then 2 doubled is 4 plus 1 is 5. You see something happening here, friends? 3 doubled is 6 plus 1 is 7. 4 doubled is 8 plus 1 is 9. Now I could just keep going. If I go from here, it just goes, every time I go over, I go down. Down 2, over 1, down 2, over 1, right? So, or I could say that I'm going 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. 1 take away 2 is negative 1. It fits. Negative 3. It fits. Negative 5. It fits. And then negative 7. That fits. Let's check it. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8, plus 1 is negative 7. That works. Our equation works. There we go. Sound good? Also, there's a way to, I'd have to find this here. I can actually go through here and enter the equation too. Let's see if I can enter it down here. What if I put y is, I really can't do it because, again, I got this broken keyboard, right? Okay, I just need a new keyboard. I was going to enter the equation to see if it matches up, which it would do, but I can't really do that right now. All right, second equation that we entered was we have to multiply it by negative 3 or make it 3 times bigger, change its sign, and then add 1. 3 times bigger times 3, change its sign, and then add 1. All right, let's do that. Let's make this one, I'm going to turn these off, make this one 3 times bigger than 0 is 3 plus 1 is 1. All right. 3 times 1 is 3, change the sign, negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. Make this one 3 times bigger. 3 times 2 is 6. Make it a negative. Change its sign. Negative 6. Negative 6 plus 1 is negative 5. Ooh, look at this. I see something, right? This one looks like it's going down instead of going up. Okay. Make this one 3 times bigger. 3 times 3 is 9. Change its sign. Negative 9. Negative 9 plus 1. Negative 8. Make this one 3 times bigger. 4 times 3 is 12. Change its sign. Negative 12. Negative 12 plus 1. Negative 11. That seems to be working so far. Let's work backwards this way. It looks like it goes negative 11, negative 8, negative 5, negative 2, positive 1. So it looks like it's going up by 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. That works. 4 plus 3 is 7. That works. 7 plus 3 is 10. That works. 10 plus 3 is 13. It's an equation, right? Linear equation, straight line. Everything works. Let's double check to make sure. Let's make 4 3 times big, negative 4 3 times bigger. That's negative 12. Change its sign, positive 12. Positive 12 plus 1 is 13. That works out. We've got a linear equation. The next one we have to do is 2 double it and subtract 5. Double it and subtract 5. And this is one that I added. 0 doubled is 0. Take away 5 is negative 5. Okay. 1 doubled is 2. 2 subtract 5 is negative 3. Whoops. All right. 2 doubled is 4. 4 subtract 5 is negative 1. And 3 doubled is 6. 6 subtract 5 is positive 1. And 4 doubled is 8. 8 subtract 5 is positive 3. Looks like if we go from the bottom to the top, it goes 3 to 1, 1 to negative 1, negative 1 to negative 3, negative 3 to negative 5. Looks like it's going down by 2's every time. And all the points are lining up. That's good. Let's check it with this one. Negative 4 doubled is negative 8. Negative 8 plus 5 more negatives is negative 13. That works out. Turn that one off. Then the last one we had here was a parabola. And so for this one, the equation was y equals x squared. Or you multiply your number times itself. That's what squared means, your number times itself. So let's go into here. 0 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 4 is 16. All right, let's go on this side. Negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. Negative times a negative is a positive, okay? Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. Negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16. What do we have here? This is called a parabola. Pretty cool, right? Yeah, and then if you map that out, it's going to kind of go like this. All right, that's a cool shape. And you could see them all together if you wanted to see them. So that's the parabola shape. And this is the very first one, which was 2x plus 1, double plus 1. Double plus 1 is up here. You see that in green. And then the next one was negative 3x plus 1. Right there. That one went down instead of up. And then the last one was 2x minus 5. Right there. So that's kind of cool. Right? All right. I'm not sure what we're doing next. Go listen to Mr. Johnson. All right. Smell you later.